In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to clone a WordPress site on Hostinger using the built-in staging feature. This is one of the easiest ways to duplicate your website safely so you can test changes, redesign pages, or experiment with plugins without affecting your live site. If you've ever been worried about breaking your website while making updates, creating a clone or staging copy is the perfect solution. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to create a cloned version of your WordPress website inside Hostinger in just a few minutes. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical website tutorials just like this one. Now, let's get started. The first thing you want to do is log into your Hostinger account. Head over to hostinger.com and sign in using your email and password. Once you're logged in, you'll land inside your Hostinger dashboard, also known as hPanel. This is where you manage your hosting, domains, and WordPress installations. From the dashboard, locate the website you want to clone. If you have multiple websites hosted on your account, make sure you select the correct one before continuing. Now, inside your website management area, look for the search bar at the top of the page. Hostinger includes a built-in search feature that helps you quickly find tools without scrolling through every section. In the search bar, type the word staging. When the staging option appears in the results, click on it. This will open the WordPress staging tool for that specific website. The staging feature is what allows you to create a cloned copy of your WordPress site with just a few clicks. It duplicates your entire website, including your files, themes, plugins, and database. That means the staging version will look and function exactly like your original site. One important thing to keep in mind is that the staging feature is available on higher-tier hosting or hosting plans, such as the premium and business plans. If you're using a lower plan, you may not see the staging option available. Now, once you're inside the staging section, you'll see the option to create a new staging environment. Go ahead and click on the button labeled Create Staging. Hostinger will now ask you to enter a staging name. This name simply helps you identify the cloned version of your website. For example, you could name it Staging, Test, Development, or Redesign, depending on what you plan to use it for. Type in the name you prefer and then click Create. As soon as you do this, Hostinger will begin cloning your website automatically. The system will copy your WordPress files and database and generate a separate staging version of your site. This process usually takes a few moments depending on the size of your website. While the cloning process is running, Hostinger will display a progress indicator so you know when the staging environment is ready. Once the process finishes, your clone site will be fully created. Hostinger will then provide you with a staging URL. This is the special link you can use to access the cloned version of your website. When you open the staging URL, you'll see an exact copy of your live WordPress site. From here, you can safely test new plugins, modify themes, change layouts, update content, or experiment with design changes without affecting the real website visitors see. This is extremely useful for developers, bloggers, and business owners who want to make improvements without risking downtime or errors on their live site. If something goes wrong on the staging version, your original website will remain completely untouched. That's why staging environments are considered one of the safest ways to develop or update a WordPress website. Another great benefit is that once you finish testing your changes, many hosting platforms, including Hostinger, allow you to push those changes back to the live site when you're ready. This makes it much easier to manage updates and improvements in a controlled way. So just to quickly recap the process, first log into your Hostinger account. Next, select the website you want to clone. Then use the search bar and search for the staging tool. Open the staging section, click Create Staging, enter a name for the staging environment, and then let Hostinger automatically clone the site for you. Once it finishes, you'll receive a staging URL where you can access the duplicated version of your WordPress site. And that's all there is to it. That's how you clone a WordPress site on Hostinger using the staging feature. If this video helped you understand the process, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more WordPress tutorials, hosting guides, and website tips that make building and managing websites much easier. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.